How to check Facebook account created here in Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about if we can check Facebook account created here in Facebook Lite or not. So let's find out. So first thing first, just head over to your Facebook Lite application and make sure you are logged into account. Now simply tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner, and once you're inside here, simply scroll down and click on settings under the settings and privacy option. And once you're inside here, just select this see more in account center option, and from over here just tap on this option that is your information and permission under account settings. So once you tap on it, you can see there is option that is access your information, but you cannot actually touch or click on that button because it's not button itself. So you can only do one thing, that is download your information, and you can basically click on this download or transfer information button over here to successfully download the information, the types of information from your account. So once you tap on that, you can basically come over to here by simply tapping on scrolling down over here under the personal information section. So you just have to click on this profile information. It will give you all of the profile information regarding when your profile was created and all of that. And once you do all of that, just click on next at the bottom from your screen. You can just tap on this download to device and simply download the information via your registered email address with the specific date range. So to add an email where you will be receiving this information, you can just tap on this notify button over here and simply add the email where you want to receive it, and you can easily receive it just like that in case of Facebook Lite. So that's the only way you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.